Welcome back. Now we are unboxing PORTRONICS Twins S3 wireless earbuds under 1000 rupees. Comes with a manufacturer warranty 1 year. Looks good quality. User manual, warranty card, extra silicone buds, Type-C charging, small cable, white color. Case is of average quality. You can see the buds. Lower latency, good for gamers. It gets auto connected once the device is paired. Water resistant rated, IPX4. Slightly is sweat resistant also. Very lightweight. Supports Bluetooth 5.2, 20 hours of playback time. Overall average quality PORTRONICS Twins S3. Good buy for under 1000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.